Easy garlic, broccoli. Add salt and cooking oil to boiling water. Toss in broccoli, blanch on high for 2 minutes, then drain. Add minced garlic and chili pepper and stir fry till fragrant. Pour in the prepared sauce. Stir constantly until it thickens and bubbles. Add the broccoli. Quick stir for 15 seconds to coat, then serve and enjoy. Today, let's make a super satisfying spicy turkey noodle bowl. Bring water to a boil, then turn off the heat. Crack 1 egg into the hot water, cover and simmer for 5 minutes, then take it out. Blanch shrimp for 1 minute and set aside. In another pot, cook turkey noodles with greens. Once the noodles are soft, leave a little cooking water. Add bean sprouts and seasoning. If you enjoy my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Then stir well. Finally, finish off your noodle bowl by topping it with plump shrimp, braised beef, and a perfectly runny poached egg. Go ahead and dig into this mouth-watering turkey noodle bowl. It's absolutely packed with delicious flavor. The scallion chicken is so delicious. Chew the boneless chicken pieces. Add salt, ground pepper, ginger slices, cooking wine, and cornstarch. Mix thoroughly, then drizzle cooking oil to lock in moisture, and marinate for 15 minutes. Heat a little oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken, and pan fry over medium heat until both sides are golden brown. Then scoop out excess oil. Toss in scallions and chili peppers. Stir fry over high heat until fragrant. Add low sodium light soy sauce for seasoning. Stir quickly to combine, and serve immediately. Chinese cabbage and egg stir fry. Heat oil in a wok. Crack in 3 eggs and stir fry quickly until golden and fluffy, and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of lard. Stir fry minced green onions, garlic and red chili peppers until fragrant. Stir fry cabbage over high heat until soft translucent. Season with salt and low salt light soy sauce. Add the scrambled eggs back. Stir fry briefly over high heat to combine, then serve immediately. Heat oil in a pan. Crack eggs and fry until semi-set. Add ginger and green onions. Stir fry the lean pork until it turns pale. Toss in tomato chunks. Stir fry until the tomatoes soften and release their juice. Pour in boiling hot water. Add udon noodles. Season with salt, chicken, bouillon, and light soy sauce. Simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. Serve steaming hot. So delicious, you'll lick the bowl clean. Give it a try. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Pour in warm water. Stir well, then skim off the foam. Cover the bowl with a plate. Boil steamer water on high first, then steam on medium for 10 minutes. Sprinkle with chopped green onions, add light soy sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Your silky and smooth steamed egg custard is ready, loved by both kids and adults.